In this video, you'll learn how to access and activate a Canva Pro team. Invite link with clear, step-by-step instructions. Start by clicking on the project's navigation in Canva's sidebar. This action will take you away from your current page, allowing you to access team settings or previous work. Next, select the product option in the top menu. This shows you an overview of Canva's tools and helps prepare your workspace for managing invites. Now, use Google to search for services that offer Canva Pro activation. Choose a trusted result, such as oxam.com, to find the resources you need. On the Oxam dashboard, click the login link as shown in the instructions. This begins the activation process for your Canva Pro invite. Select Continue with Email. In Canva's login, then enter the provided email address to sign in with the shared account. When prompted, enter the shared password and click Login to complete signing in to Canva. After signing in, click the verification link in the Oxam instructions and select Copy Code to copy the latest authentication code. Paste the copied code into Canva's Authenticator prompt and complete verification to gain full access to Canva Pro. You've now learned how to activate a Canva Pro team. Invite quickly and easily.